Today we're gonna do an Arabic meal which is called sambosa. It's basically a fried dough in the shape of a triangle filled with something. In this video we're gonna do a vegetarian sambosa. We will start with the dough. All you need is 125 grams of flour, 30 milliliters of vegetable oil, I used sunflower oil, and 30 milliliters of water, and a little bit of salt. With these ingredients you can make 4 pieces of sambosa. If you want to make more sambosa, you have to use the double or triple amount of ingredients. At first you're gonna sift the flour into a bowl and add the vegetable oil. Then you have to knead it by hand. As soon as it looks like this, add the salt and a little bit of the water. Knead it again. And then add the rest of the water. Then knead it until the dough looks like this. Put a little bit oil on top of the dough and let it rest for 30 minutes. Meanwhile, you can prepare the filling. For this you need a can of peas, 1 onion, 1 paprika, 2 carrots, a slice of ginger and the juice of half a lemon, as well as cooked potatoes and the following spices: turmeric, ras el hanut, cilantro, a little bit of salt, cumin and a little bit of pepper. From each spice I used a teaspoon, except the salt and the pepper, which should be less. At first you're gonna cook the potatoes. During that time you can prepare the other vegetables. At first cut the onion in very small pieces and put it in a pan with olive oil and coconut oil. Do not roast it yet. Then cut the carrots as well into small pieces and add it into the pan. The same you're gonna do with a slice of ginger. Then start roasting the onion, the carrots and the ginger together. Continue to cut the paprika, and add it as well into the pan. Now as the vegetables are roasted, you can add a little bit of water to prevent further roasting and to actually start cooking them. Now the potatoes should be finished with cooking. Peel them and cut them also into small pieces. Add them with the peas into the pan. Then add the juice of half a lemon. Then add all the spices and a little bit more water. Mix all well and let it cook. Now you can continue with the dough. To can shape it into a sambosa, you need a board covered with flour and water mixed with flour in a bowl. This mixture will function as a glue to close the sambosa later. At first you need to cut the dough in 2 pieces. The pieces should be about the same size because every piece will be 1 sambosa. As I've mentioned before, in this video I will do 4 pieces of sambosa, that's why I cut the dough into 4 pieces. Then roll each piece of the dough elongated. Then cut off the sides and the top to make shaping easier. until they look like this. Now it's time to shape the dough as a triangle. For this you need the water and flour mixture as a glue and shape the dough as shown in the video. The dough will now look like an open bag in which we will fill the cooked vegetables. Then use the glue mixture again to enclose the sambusa. Repeat this process with each piece. After you've finished all sambusa pieces, you need to fry them. For that you need to fill a pan with vegetable oil. Heat the pan and put the sambusa inside. Make sure that the oil is not too hot, otherwise the sambusa will burn fast. Therefore fry the sambusa at a medium heat. Turn them and fry them from both sides. They are finished as soon as they get a golden brown color. Take them out of the oil and enjoy.